We announced that any officer involved in shootings will be put on desk duty for 30 days so we can assess their fitness for duty. That's a change from 3 days. I also directed Interim Superintendent Escalante and Acting Head of IPRA, Independent Police Review Authority, Sharon Farrelly, to review the crisis response policies that are in place so that we can see what needs improvement and what needs to be changed. Today, we're taking additional steps to create more time and distance in these situations and other encounters to make environments safe and safer for all. We will improve communication between officers and individuals to make these encounters less confrontational and more conversational. And we will double the number of tasers to 1,400 while also providing officers the training to use them properly. We want to ensure that our officers are not just operating in either first gear or fifth gear, but to recognize the degrees in between so they can respond appropriately to each individual situation, where force can be the last option, not the first choice.
Our goal is to change the way officers think when they approach a critical incident by establishing time and distance to allow for more prudent thinking and physical space to promote a safer environment.
Simply putting tasers in police cars is not the answer. Ron was not specific as it regards what training they're going to implement. It makes us turn up the heat even more to know that he is finally feeling pressure because this is a different Ron.